What's up, YouTube? I'm Josh. This is another episode of Beer Meets Flavor, and today we're making some breakfast smash burgers. Stick around, we'll show you how we did it. All right, let's get it. So first thing we're gonna do, hash browns. That's gonna take the longest. So I'm gonna take some avocado oil, get us a nice coating. Then we're gonna take some of these opened upside down simply potatoes, and then we're gonna put on little hash brown patties about the size of the bun. Okay. Hear that sizzle? Okay, so we're gonna let those bad boys go. We'll salt and pepper them, and then we'll move on to the next. It's gonna be super simple. See ya. Just like that, baby. Okay, so we're doing breakfast smash burgers. So instead of beef, we're using Jimmy Dean maple pork sausage for that kind of what are they called? The McGriddle vibe. Yeah, McGriddle vibe. So the whole kind of theory of this video, it's 11:05. So the whole theory of this video is like, let's say, you went a little hard last night. Maybe you had I don't know, whatever. You went a little hard. Maybe you're a little hungover, right? And you wake up late and you want a McDonald's, what are they called? Sausage McMuffin. So this is just kind of like, I can order McDonald's if I wake up before 10:30. I can order McDonald's. It takes about 25 minutes to get here. So we're going to make this whole thing in under 25 minutes. So by 11:30, we should be eating. Or if you wake up after McDonald's quits breakfast and you're bummed, you can always do this instead. So making little balls here. Look at me. All right, so we got 5 little balls, probably about 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces. We're gonna let the hash browns cook a little bit since they're gonna take the longest. We'll throw these on there, do some egg. They're not gonna be like a recreation of the sausage McMuffin, but it's gonna be way better and in the same time and probably for less than you can get McDonald's delivered to your house. So hang out. We'll see you in a sec. All right, we're rocking and rolling now. I'm gonna get a little more oil, and we're gonna flip these babies. That one kind of fell apart a little bit. It's okay. Nice. All right, so we're gonna salt and pepper these baddies, and then we'll go get the burgers. We'll see you in a sec. All right, a little more oil. Then we'll take our little babies. Beefy. We'll use the apron as it's intended to be used. All right, so I guess the trick is to a smash burger is you start it like this. So you get a little color on that side. Okay. Ooh, you can smell that maple syrup. Oh, I forgot to flip it. Whatever. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just go hard in the paint. And the beauty is because we're in Las Vegas and it's 147 degrees, I don't have to use any gas on the griddle. It just heats up by itself. Come on. Okay, so these are going to cook pretty quick. We'll give those a sec, flip them, cheese them, egg them, done. All right, let's flip. Got that good brown Maillard reaction. Okay. Now, this is what you got to do. Pocket cheese. Always go with pocket cheese. And we went with that good, single flappy do. Okay. Pocket cheese. Pocket cheese. See? I mean, you don't get better than this. It's so freaking hot out here. I'm sweating. I mean, I sweat all the time, but this is ridiculous. All right, so we're going to let that do its thing. We'll empty our pockets, and we'll come back with some eggs. Okay. I'm going to kind of clear off this center part of contaminants. A little more avocado oil. Got some good eggs. Childproof, apparently. Are you serious? Good God. That double flap really got me. Oh, God. Yep, it's okay. We're good. Oh, that one. Fuck that one up.
Not very good if anything.
Okay. Give that a sec. We'll be back. All right, so now you got this little like gooey white center. Just gonna break that up so you don't get all the slime. Okay, I'm gonna take this, put it on here, put it on here. Hot. Give the eggs another minute or two. We'll be back. All right, here we go. Egg. Come on. Get these little tails off here. Oh, come on. There we go. It's okay. All right. Cut the heat. Clean this up. We'll build in a sec. All right, pardon my schwitzing. But so we got just a bun.
Your what?
My schwitzing. It's like sweating. Pardon my sweating.
Oh.
So we're just going to put a little burger sauce on the bottom here. Okay. Now we're going to take our beautiful. He wants to see, There. There. Okay, put this in the back. It's 11:28, so we're right on time. That's a bottom. What am I doing? A little more burger sauce. Stay. Okay, we're gonna take a couple of photos, and we'll eat this thing. All right, finished product, easy. 25 minutes total, start to finish. We got hash browns, maple sausage, cheese, nice sunny side up egg. Let's try this thing. But if you guys have watched this long, do us a favor, like, subscribe. We appreciate it. Help the channel grow. Let's. This is gonna be a sloppy mama right here. Let's let the beer meet the flavor. Let's pop this guy. Boop. Here we go. Oh my. Oh my. All right. Mm, mm, mm. All right. So the crunch of the hash browns, the creaminess, the richness of the egg, that sweet maple comes through. To be honest with you, even though you didn't think we should do it, the burger sauce really brings the whole thing together. So, like I said, 25 minutes, super easy, perfect for a, fix for a long night out. Try these at home. We'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you.